Just a good boy, oh, just a wild boy. A wild boy.
Hello all.
When I'm meeting with my friends, I'm a drinking like the hell and a wild boy. Nobody cares because a wild boy, wild boy, wild boy. I'm drinking so sharp that the next day can I fire spitting gold on my wild boy perfect.
Hello and welcome back to Asphalt Legend. What the hell was that anyway? Asphalt Legend Unite on this episode 183 on DefNation4Real. Having some beer. So that's it. Just for some beer. And let's see what's coming up in here. Thanks a lot actually for a lot of following on PlayStation Network ID on the DefNation4Real. Done with the laundry, done actually with the food, done actually with some packages. Tomorrow I just want to keep up actually my heart pills, because I was saying Sunday, Monday that just actually get off. Not so touching, wild bird. Wild boy. Yeah, well. Pow Pow the cat here actually a wild Garber Mac and the Nitro'theBat just fulfilled the stream to get the battery out of his ass. Yeah, ass. I think he comes in from these jam, what I'm dealing done with. But I have all the times wait on YouTube on these kind of top chat, live chat, when it comes up to the PC desktop actually already. The picture is there. You see your profile, how many subscribes, and blah blah blah, how many people's watching. But the chat itself takes 2 minutes or something to pop up, to write something in there. This is seriously very terrible. This is a whole song for sake. Ah, time for making up a beer in here. What's with these manga girls there actually? I don't, Holo Life product. I don't care about these on my car. When I have it in my bedroom. Seriously.
Live jam of Spotty are in here my followers, emoji slightly smiling face, URL.
URL. Slightly smile. What the hell is that meaning? Oh, spielt die Musik mal anders, auch nicht schlecht. So, firing me a cigarette up, drinking a little beer, and then, you know what? Let's roll. What the hell was that? So childish. I'm old. I'm out of ideas. Konfuzius sagte einmal, ich werde nicht reicher an meinen eigenen Ideen. Ich bestrafe mich damit, den anderen zuzuschauen, wie ich reicher an den Ideen von dessen Ideen werde. Also von ihrer Dämlichkeit. Das hat er übrigens nicht gesagt, das ist mir gerade so einfach eingefallen, als ich dachte mir so ein Schlusswort für den Tag. Wen interessiert sein eigener Gedankengang, wenn man anderen zuschauen kann, wie dämlich die eigentlich sind und du eigentlich schon Ideen hast, wie sie es besser machen können? Okay. Okay, event is ended and now we are just playing something else. Okay, I didn't know. Crazy crack. Yesterday was the last day, I didn't know. I'm very intelligent with this shit. Here we go. Now it's an official live special event or something, you know. So it's actually days on. I just didn't understand what's going on in here with the kind of bullshit they want to tell us. So something like you have to go online or something and have to sign in. I got it. Today it's up. See, grabbing some hot picture on a vehicle. Then maybe you have a month. Cheers up, Campai. Nå slår vi ser ut som du skal på røstene. Yeah, I just have a little anal leakage today. I have to watch out for farts. For the diarrhea comes in hard. Or, I mean, speedy. Yeah, topped up. Calms the verve. Oh yeah, noise bundle. So what kind of talkings are these? Hololive talkings, okay. For Hollow's sake. No car I don't have. Starting up with the SD and whatever cars. Wenda. The thing is, when I'm multiplayer, right, I don't see people actually driving these vehicles or something on the vehicles anyway. So that was the update for 2 days ago, actually. Preparing actually for these kind of hololive production creation there. To be prepared. 1,800. Oh no, it's kind of a Sonic event. Oh my gosh. I see you have to collect 100 of these hololive icons there. Oh crack. Not again. Already maxed out.
One, two, three, let's go! Show them what you got.
Is there music on in here? Oh no way. Actually, not really, no.
Step on the pedal to the metal.
You say so sexy. Oh gosh, they are big. They're so big, I don't know how to annoy or just get them. Oh my gosh. What the time is this running? Oh my gosh, they're so big. This is so annoying. Data massive. Crack for the crack. Not easy. God damn it. That's gonna be not easy. Can't be done that stuff, god damn it.
Get those wheels as hot as Phoenix flames!
Oh, you bastard. I was saying actually left. Is that music new? I mean, I don't know about them. Should be, right? Ja, kommt das ganze Geburte, Alter. Vom Bierwasser. Oh, holy shit. The music are fitting actually together with the in-game background music of the game itself on Spotify music. They're fitting actually very good together. It's like actually dance techno, or better say dance chill out techno music artist, music genre. Okay, that's... Ich kann das nicht. Fint Anniversity. Geht raus, holy shit. Ist da gar nichts drin? Jesus. This is about actually my dry system. Where's the water, goddammit? I was drying the whole laundry today in the morning. Nothing is in there. With a water supply. So, what's with these food? I just wanna have a taste of that. Geht schwarze Farbe auch noch? Achso, das sind die Bohnen. Achso. Oh yeah! Oh shit, hot. Oh god, hot. Holy the moly. Oh. Jalapeno, but it's hot as well from actually the oven. Oh. Nice. It's seriously good done. Det är dock en fine as well if you lose because protein cream tar I enough by the way from that. I'm drinking again beer. Prostate seduction actually about a beer is not a prost. I don't prostate seduction anymore. I think it's like that, right? I don't want to talk about that. But better I'm talking over that before I'm talking over license making for a car. Because I don't have one. And I really, I'm 38 and I don't want to have it anymore. It's never too late, yeah, my colleague was saying today in the construction work, so what the fuck? What kind of music is this again? Oh no. Let's over jump this one. So just catching, but drifting. The drift at 273. Okay, got it. Excuse myself. Get down! I hate that. Why is this so complicated to get down here? Oh, hell yeah! Oh no, you have to upgrade the car. Oh, no way. The fuck's that takes? No. Cheers. You driving right now? Analog. This guy's actually D.R.O Hollow live. Talking are not impossible to get. Doesn't matter. Oh, I'm crashing. Oh, crap. Running out of time, man. And now I know why we run out of time, because I didn't press the gasoline paddle. Oh gosh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. $45, yeah, whatever. Fucking hell. I forgot to press it. Oh, okay, let's do it again. Not in here. Up to Rinky here. My gosh, I'm an idiot. Most things are possible without having these analog drives. These touch drives. don't remember me that stuff. Not really. What the fuck? Thanks for nothing. Got that.
Oh yeah, I removed all the brakes in your car. So good luck and I'll be
Come on. Need a full pumped up car. So fucked up. I'm turning off the music now. This is fucked up. What a street light. Think so, oder? Oh my god, Team Pursuit. Oh no way. You're doomed. I have no good alcohol here, only beer and the Team Pursuit. Yeah, it's okay. Ah, pressing L1, R1. Ah, 3 days. That's okay. Tomorrow I got alcohol. That's nice. Coming up anyway tomorrow. Do a longer edition. They changed the button of special events. As a weirdo. Get on with this shit. That's poor. Yeah, yeah. You can remember that. Respect. Excuse me. But my nose is half actually snotty. I'm starting up the coughing. Hate that. Go, darling. Go, you guy. If she's working. If it's, oh, I don't know what he's talking about, these 50 cents there. But there's saw the G unit coming down on these kind of G unit helicopter, and they're running out of actually kerosene. Landed actually kind of forward. Said to my colleague actually the G unit actually, or better say the G unit, the G12, and his 50 Cent member there, not coming to this concert anymore. Stretched out. What the hell was that anyway? Did another follow stuff coming up? Holy shit, 11 one of these. Checked already yesterday. Thank you very much for that. Filling stars, filling the floor. Get a 6 stand to make me love. Yeah, blah blah. You like to take drugs. What kind of shit is this what he's talking about, man? I'd be millionaire right now, not long. Just losing the money. Helper. Need the car in the future, I know that. The rest can go suck my dick. Yeah, I want to try to go down there, but nobody let me. Yeah, here we go. What the fuck? What kind of car should it be? For the future in here. There should be an S car. Are you shit? This is not even an what is it? This can't be, maybe a B car. You know, this car, the Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5 DFD is actually a B car, not an S car. They have a lot of S cars. They're just making this up actually to let us know we have to pay a lot for actually blueprints. Piece of shit. Even Clickenhouse or something, or Nissan actually GTR 50 is faster. Are you fucking be shitting me off? Even the Porsche in here. What the fuck? I feel a little bit. This is what the hell. They're talking about racism or something. That's correct. This is called racism, man. It's completely bullshit. It's kind of bullshit. Everybody's investing in this one, right? What should I do? The B cars, they're faster than the S car Ford. There's a D car I never need to use actually for the career mode. And there's an A car, I don't know if it's worth in the future. but I have 70 blueprints to use. It's faster to get. Take the Porsche, goddammit. These are my cars I want to choose in the future. I mean, for the next 27 days, of course. Why there's only 2 episodes of these? What the hell? Coming up in God, Mag. 1 day, 19 hours. Rates 4 days in a row this week. Yeah. Tomorrow I got actually alcohol. We got actually the first one. 6 days? I don't know how to deal down that one. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So Sunday I have to race as well. Okay. And then we get the season 1 actually. Episode 1 actually done. Cool. Apply important parts of the car. Yeah, I don't know how to do that right now because I don't have actually being goals of war board actually with the rank system on these my cars. Already maxed them out. Mostly. I mean not maxed out, but maxed out to not coming forward actually until we got a new star of the car, of course. Are you still there or something? I'm talking and nobody actually wants to, you know, it's just coming up, then going, leaving. Ah, weird. Weird folk. Mostly actually children or something. They're watching me or something. Okay, forget it. Ready, did. Some money. A 3-star. Can it be faster than that car? Let's try. Mataka. Cheers! Campagne med strawberry seed, så du skal prost i next stream. Wir machen jetzt 2 Sachen Angst. Äpfel, Birnen und das komische Biogedöns. Ablaufdatum und Fäulnis. Der Rest langweilig. Das Schlimmste, was ich jetzt noch machen könnte, wäre Gemüse mir noch holen für den Kühlschrank. Alles klar. Und Zwiebeln. Drive it. Slippery when I see. No joke. Ja, so geht's auch. Ja, stark, dass ich schleife. Oh, that is so fucking unfair. Coming from all the time, but damn it, get away. You bulletproof. Pump it up, sweetheart. Bulletproof. Should it be? Titanium is not bulletproof. He's just not even bulletproof. That's it? Nothing more? Oh, that's a C core then. Ah, no, I got it, okay. No, 300, what the hell is that? Are you fucking kidding me? The molten one. So you already got all beauty or something, I saw. Oh yeah, wow, we got it. Look at that. What kind of car we need? Enigma. Emiya. Oh man, what the hell? What kind of a shit name is this? Emiya. Why not Emily? Lotus Emily. Huh? What's the problem with these shit names that you're taking on? What kind of a drunk frost guy just make these cars up? It must be a frost guy. Otherwise you can't explain these names. Razor Glare. What kind of shit is this? Why not Razor with two set in there? Razor. Then Angoli. Or Angola. Oh, yuck. I don't know what kind of piece of crap. Lucan Neon Edition, okay, I understand. That takes part in it. It's called these LEDs or something. It's the same on the RTX Spec 5, but why FD? Front drive wood. Lotus Emeya. Why not Emily? Or Emilia? No, Emily. Just Emily. Lotus Emily. Could touch your tongue. No, it's mean Emeya. Emeya or Emiya. What the fuck shit? From mid-style. All over your place, man. Ah. Here she is, the beauty. Lotus Emiya. Emiya. Why? Why? Lotus Dracul or something. Okay. But Emiya. These Great Britons are really drunk or something for making this. No, I think actually some Frost guy just actually making this up, this car, and just sending this name in this Lotus. This Elise, or Elise, Lotus Elise. What the hell? Same shit. I'm very disappointed on the Great Britain marketing. Running out of ideas or something. Electronica. What about that? Just a fat car with an electronic engine in there. The 25% on all whole production of cars having a stupid same electronic engine in there. Battery. No special sounds. Nothing. Oh, that's the finish line. Oh, fucking sake. I didn't watch that one. Oops, my mistake. Was more interested about actually seeing the map and stuff. Oh my gosh. I have a big screen. I'm sitting a half meter in front of it. And it has a very, very good quality. And it's a 2K TV, not a 4K or 8K TV. It's a 2K. And so I'm surprised that under resting actually his appointments to buy, what was it, 60 hearts? Now by CarX, I'm not playing anymore since 3 months now. Having 120 hearts. And this quality and the sharpness on this very, very old plasma TV on, I think, 16 years now, is still working as hell. When I have a 6.4, no. Better go to Korea and get a 64,000. Emiya, one of the mirror. What is the problem with the change the names of the cars? Stupidest in this crap. Ska med that crack. Glaya. What are you doing down? And called the W motors. Take it on. The city by the bay, yeah. Are we in the kindergarten? As the tire work should be on LED as well. Bullshit. This car must be very expensive for every single shit part. Oh wow, but it works very good. Oh my gosh. Can't have it under control in here right now. The agility is amazing crazy. Wow, holy shit. Ah, motherfucker! It was just a centimeter. Stupid game. And I'm in the lost position. Of course. You're wonderful. What the fuck, dude? That was not fair. Yeah, the car is so sensible. Going a little bit left or right on the stick. Oh, crack. You do mostly close actually a 90 degrees turn. Yeah. The other cars in this game, forget it. You need to break your stick to go actually a 90 turn. My gosh. That's why I was irritated. Sorry for that one. Yeah, I'm sitting in a toilet and I'm shitting off, I hope. I just was eating one apple for an hour ago. And already, let's keep on grooving. And for the next 3 months, I'm eating only apples and peaches. And drinking beer in the afternoon then. So my freezers, my 2 freezers up tomorrow night are completely full. Maybe some pieces are actually in the fridge then to make it up in the night time as well after the drinking part. I overdose now then, too much actually, for stuff that get rotten. With the fruits and actually with this biological, chemical, whatever they're just eating done with vegetable food by 37 kilograms. I have to get away until February to eat up. Looks like actually dog shit if you're just cooking that. Vegetable schnitzel, vegetable chicken. 37 kilogram left. Getting rotten actually, they say so on the packages at the February. If the pull are just blowing up, I have to throw it away. So I'm eating actually the next time very healthy and drinking beer. Clap my hands. Somebody have a coffin, I just bring the nails. 36 I need because of having a big size. Not fat size, but big size I mean. How about the beer? I need another one. So it is. Life. I'm so glad that I'm not married or something. That's the fridge. Magnetic field. It smells so good in here. I think it's the jacket. Oh yeah, I don't have him go away. Holy crack. No. A hip bulb. Or something. Until the next day. Are we just making a round? We starten up the Volkswagen. 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 Should be get done actually in an hour. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Holy shit. Once again. I think there's no career tonight. Having just some beer takes anyway for the name of the live stream. Maybe getting this one through and then I go to sleep. I mean, actually watching videos on YouTube. Eating my finger food, I always say. I go to sleep then.
Completing the 18 pursuit is my goal tonight.
No. Komm nicht so schnell voran, what the fuck? What the fuck? Ich komm da nicht mit, Mann. No chance, they won. That's crazy. Kannst du dir in die Haare schmieren? A complex track, goddammit. Technical track, let us say. No chance. But I'm driving, they're hitting me, and they get me very fast. Kind of the first 20 seconds twice. I don't understand. It's very easy to have actually a police car squad instead of actually driving the syndicate team. Another one. The continuous struggles. No, the struggles continue. This crap. Oh, fucking hell. Why my symbols, oh, rather say, why my icons not working? For all the time to get them showing up. So I was working more with the icons before actually starting up the race. That's bullshit. Fuck it, I was busy with these icons. Can't wait in here. Didn't do something in there. That was weird. Why that didn't work? D-pad left right. Didn't work. Fuck it then. What the fuck? Why the D-pad work not anymore? Huh? Is there something wrong with this? The D-pad are not working for that anymore. Ah, it's the L3, man. That's the R3. Oh, forgot that one. Come on. Very sad nobody's just actually forcing something in here. I couldn't even reach one. What the fuck? You should nice visual like quite up on it was. God, it's the same shit track again. Get away from me. The police is faster than us. Ja, klar doch, Alter. Die fahren da einfach durch, ständig. Leck mich am Arsch, Mann. Ich hab keinen Bock, ich gepissen, Alter. Wollen wir nicht erfliegen. Scheißspiel, Alter. Ich bekomme before I couldn't actually try, and all the times I try actually to get some car with the police car, nothing. I couldn't even touch one. And in just a fucking 15 seconds, it killed me completely. On the same track. Piece of shit. I hate this game so hard. Makes no fun. There was actually 15 days on DjVolgin account, PlayStation Network account. I mean, that was fun, and it stopped. We are right now on the 64th day or something. Hold on the 180. What was it? I can't remember, man. I give a fuck. On 4 accounts now, we're on 183 days, I think, on live streams. And it pisses me so much of this game, so hard, 100%ly. 0 stars. Not a like or star worth. Wow. But, well, I'm smelling very good today. Like, actually, I want to go to Kremes, which is to go actually to lay down some Persian, actually 6 feet under. Oh, that's something. Oh, that was close. Oh, I didn't. Oh, fucking hell. The 8 times should be good, but I will 6 times. Damn it! You're an idiot! Yeah. Back to the rules. Yeah, nobody cares. I get my microphone off then. caddies. Much more supply. Abgeschlossen. Buenos Aires again. I hate this country. This is Argentina. Even a twisted. Doesn't matter what I'm getting done though. Eventuell verloren, oder? Oh wow. 3 Jahre in einem Monat. Kann man nicht aus den Händen lesen. Hey, come on, I just wiggled my car! Here we go again. I wiggled my car. Normally they're not popping up then. It's just you have a little free time there. This is so gay, this game. This game is bullshit, bro. Bullshit. Komm schon. Ja, genau. Die können jetzt alles. Since the fucking upgrade, they can deal done everything. US Racer, we have no attention actually to get away from them. It's bullshit. Why are you not stopping your vehicle and just say, go fuck yourself? This is bullshit. This team pursuit is just a time waste. Fuck it, I'm off. I'm bored. I'm fucking bored of this shit game. Catch air and you already won. Just have a titanium block in front of you and you can't win. Trying 100 times to win the shit race. To give away money. Fuck life. I'm out of here. I'll go to career mode. Makes me depressive. Finally, I won something. Wasting my time. Dang good. Original money making. Versorgen. Über den Dreh. Oh, holy crap, in the end. 43. Sugoi. Bavaria, Germany.
Or not.
Twice alive and I won. 12,7 Grad. Okay. Liegt er bei dir? 12,7 Grad. Happy Hippomus. I'm gonna have a 30k. Do it. Probably not. Oh. No, let's go. Nakamura-sama. This. 16 hours. It's gotta be tight. What a gently cherry ever had. YouTube channel. Even I'm not talking very much, but well. Möchte ja nicht das vierte Rad am Auto sein. Ist wahrscheinlich nicht nur das vierte Rad, sondern auch der Engine. this is how legends are made. Okay? Have fun, children. Off. 그것도 많이 거도 유망하네. Legends never die. They get a little part of you. Legends never die. Bring it on, man. It's impossible that to be done like that. Here we go. Campaign done. Slowest and fastest car won. Only torque. That one's in here. Clean cut. That's even too last to start. I'm a lowly boy. You are. Choke. God of War. What a Need to reach the toilet. Be right back. Matta matta. A little bit in an underground to the forest. Let's go. Muss direkt lang sein. Ja. Just hands up, hands up. Dance, 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 dance. Just dance the floor. Should get be danced on. Just the floor. Should get be dance floor. He can't just wait. He gets around the world. He just won't get on this motherfucking dance floor. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Open up the door for the dance floor. Can you just pee, please? Now I'm all concentrated. You just can't wait. You open up the door for the dance floor. Can't you done? I'm not sitting. I'm standing in front of the pissing pot. And you should actually try to say singing Bavarian German and English stuff. Let's hear them out some of that. Das ist schlecht für die Haut. Bruder Boy. Mika? Ah, Mika. But Mika. Can we still beat it? Let's see. Cheers up. Camp high. Next drop is still so called the next beam. Tadaimasu, by the way. Win with the Chevrolet. Oh, what the fuck? I don't have. Maybe in 2 months. Snooky. Oh my god. So was it now? Ah, scheiß drauf. Why is the control vibration into sound effects or in sounds? That's completely bullshit. You need to win with a Chevrolet Camaro Settle 1 50th Anniversary Edition. I don't have. Fucking sake. Didn't saw that. Okay, then just win the race. Anyway, it's a rank C car, not a B car, D car. May I just get it in 2 months? Cheers. Life is a piece of shit. No, not really. I mean, I'm in control with everything. Everything's boring me just. I just want to die. And bottomless. Vibration long. Fucking trucks. I can't win this one. And the career mode is over. Nothing to win anymore the next 2 months. I do not know. That's it. Ah, for what? There's no passion for color. Oh, the cheaters again. Here we go, the cheaters again. Can't even create actually a club name. Okay, cheaters. No wonder. The Switch Nintendo cheaters. Children. Yeah. Toddlers. You want all the time from me. Get away. Syndicate once. Nice. That's the first time I'm alive, I think. Be right back. I'm hungry. Oh, das wird bestimmt mit der Hand anpassen können jetzt, oder? Ja, freilich. Au. Sorry. Ich hab komplett vergessen. Wirklich? Und die Polypen schon raus. Ah, direkt vergessen. Oh, lecker. Boah. Das ist mir immer ein Mysterium, wie die da draußen streichen. Mit Wasserfarben und so ein Scheiß, weißt du, wie ich meine? Das ist echt krass. Pump it up for Mystique. Let do papnisa para scupa peak. Die hatten wir doch schon vorher. 4 auf 30. Irgendwie das Spiel verarschen oder was? Fuck what you say. Egal. Scheiß auf das Team. Scheiß auf die Arschlöcher. Scheiß auf alle euch. Jetzt die Schnauze voll. Hab mich am Arsch lecken, Alter, ihr wichsgriffeligen, Hurengefickten Hurenficker. Ich hab Hunger. Ihr könnt mich am Arsch lecken, Alter. Ich glaub, meine Pillen morgen, Alter, ich hab Bier. Das ist ein lausiges Pock. Ich hätte mir denken, Wunder, dass ihr das Verstoffene seid. Heute habt ihr das wieder übertrieben. What the hell? Oh shit. Kein Grund, online zu bleiben hier mehr. Das pisst und langweilig. Tschüss euch.